Wow. You know what I'm saying? You got a lot of people that's hip hop, but I'm saying like R&B, since it been fixed, R&B artists been in it.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like,
I feel
it's real historical, and a lot of people want to touch that stage. And if they, you know, they don't get with us. You know what I was about to say, but if they don't get with us, like they might not touch that stage. Unless they do their own event. Now I ain't gonna knock nobody. Do your own event. You know what I'm saying? This is hood style. Hood style it's going on 4 years already. You know what I'm saying?
So this is basically a tradition. Like this gonna keep going on.
Annual event every year, regardless of what's going on. What's going on in my life, your life, his life, what's going on? We gonna have this.
I respect the movement. I respect
that. Now we gonna have this forever.
Wow. I respect that, kid. So what you got anything new? Like what's going on? You got some people you wanna work with?
I got a lot of people that I wanna work with. It's just if they wanna work with me. But what we got going on right now, like I said, every month we doing a benefit to you know for the scholarship. You know what I'm saying? So it's like it's not a concert, it's a showcase. Where you come and showcase your talent. Whoever be there, Naha 97, whoever. You know what I'm saying? Power 105, Revolt TV.
So it's like people don't even know what's gonna happen. Like
you never know who's gonna be there every week when we do it. Like it's not gonna be every week. It's gonna be once a month though.
Yeah.
Because we gotta build up. You know what I'm saying? And have the people there. But people gonna be there. The people that I say gonna be there. If I say I'm about, the people gonna be there. Trust me. You know what I mean? And some rub your elbow, network type of thing, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, if you ain't really trying to do the hip hop or do the music thing, don't come through there.
That's
you know
right.
What I'm saying? Because if you doing it like that, then you come through, you kick it, whoever you kicking it with, and you get your input. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, like
do
that.
whatever. You know what I mean?
So
and somebody might grab you.
Let me ask you a question, boss man. Next year, there's a lot of people that never been to the Dome, but a lot of people heard about this place, like legends performing.
All right, not to cut you off. Let me just say this. It's free.
Wow.
Free.
Wow.
Everything is free. You're gonna eat for free. You're gonna love for free. You're gonna have fun for free. You're gonna enjoy